Hi there, this is Steve Miley, the Market Chartist on behalf of ForexFraud.com, and we're now going to look at the Antipodean currencies, the New Zealand dollar, the Australian dollar, both spot rates against the US dollar in here, both exhibiting a more positive tone in here over the last week or so, as we've seen really the tale of really the last of this year has been US dollar weakness in here with an anticipation of a global growth story, and then through early February with the whole risk-off move we saw with the equity market meltdown. With that we saw dollar strength as a flight to quality to New Zealand dollar setting back in here, and over the last week as equity markets have rebounded, we've seen the New Zealand dollar re-strengthening here, pushing back up to match the January peak in here just last week at 74.37, and really anticipating further gains in here. And we go to a bigger chart, go to a daily chart, looking for a push up through 74.37 towards 75.58 and potentially higher through the second half of February and then on into March. Similar but not quite the same story for the Australian dollar, bullish through from the end of last year through January. However, the deeper sell-off that we saw, which was already occurring due to some concerns around Australian data before the equity market sell-off, that sell-off that we saw down through 78.05 neutralising the intermediate term bullish theme. The subsequent rebound again over the last week with the equity market recoveries in here has seen the market move into more of a range environment, which we define as 80.46 to 77.56, but real upside risk within that range and real threat up towards 80.46 we feel for a bullish intermediate term theme to resurface into the second half of this month. This has been Steve Miley, the Market Chartist for ForexFraud.com, and I wish you a great trading week.